Hello! You have all heard the saying, feels like a fish in water. They say that because the fish are best adapted to living in water bodies. Fish are able to swim with the help of fins and breathe oxygen dissolved in water with the help of gills. Fish are common in all types of water bodies on our planet, under the ice in the Arctic seas at temperatures of 0 degrees Celsius and near hot springs where the temperature reaches plus 50 degrees Celsius. We will consider the features of the external structure of fish using the example of a common inhabitant of freshwater bodies of Ukraine, European perch, common. The body of the fish is divided into the head, trunk, and tail. Click to learn more. The head is fixedly connected to the trunk. There are no clear boundaries between the parts of the body. The mouth opening is surrounded by the upper and lower jaws. The lower jaw is mobile, which enables active capture of prey. The head also has eyes and nostrils, which are connected to the olfactory receptors. Gill covers are located on the sides of the head. They cover the respiratory organs, the gills. The trunk of the fish is covered with scales that protect it from mechanical damage and make it more streamlined. The skin has glands that secrete mucus. It protects the skin from the penetration of disease-causing organisms and makes swimming easier by reducing friction in the water. Fins provide movement of the animal or regulate its position in the water column. These are folds of skin which usually have supporting skeletal formations in their composition, rays. Fins are paired and unpaired. Paired fins include pectoral and ventral fins. Unpaired fins include caudal, anal, and dorsal fins. The main organ of movement is the tail, which ends in a tail fin. Pectoral fins serve for slow forward or backward movement. Paired pectoral and ventral fins serve as a kind of depth rudder. They make it possible to change the direction of movement. Odd fins ensure a stable position of the fish's trunk in the water. Let's try to find out the age of our perch. To do this, use tweezers to take one scale from the fish and place it on the glass. Let's put the scale sample under the microscope. If you look at the scales with a microscope, you can see peculiar annulation on it, very similar to those observed on a section of a tree. Each annulus is a witness to another year lived. From the scales, it is possible to determine both the age of the fish and its length by which it has grown over the previous year. You can also notice another but very important feature, the unevenness of the surface. On the scales, you can see ridges and depressions, which are also called sclerites. During 1 year of life, 2 layers of sclerites appear, a large and a small one. A large sclerite indicates a period of active growth of the fish, and a small one indicates that it survived during the autumn-winter period.